feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything. You already know that we're in a pandemic right now, and everyone as a collective whole has came together. They've worked hard to try to squash this pandemic, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to squash it because 2020 is coming to an end. It's going to be 2021 soon.
That's right, let's rock and roll.
Exactly.
But let's move into our winner for the She's Hot contest, because we know that you've been waiting for this for a long time.
Well, hold your brakes back, King Sebastian. Before we get into the She's Hot winner, we do want to announce, because we said that we're going to announce the winners for the Jamaican Rose and Gold products because it's Christmas time. It's time to get into this feeling, even though it was yesterday. Let's announce these winners.
It's time to give. And Dr. Ross, unveil the winner.
Yes, sir. Let's get into this right here. Kind of exciting. We're going to have a drum roll here now, please.
Just like the Oscars.
So the winner for the She's Hot, well, not She's Hot yet, but the winner for the Jamaican products, congratulations, is Sandra Brown. Congratulations for the products. Your hair is going to be looking fantastic. And not only that, you're going to have some fresh clothes to put on and impress your friends a little bit. Tell them what you got for Christmas from the Rose and Gold team right here.
That's right. Get the luster, get the locks in your hair. Get some dreadlocks.
Exactly.
Let's move into our hot topic, or before we get into our hot topics, let's talk about our winner for the She's Hot contest, the Irena Sheck.
Congratulations.
That's
like
right.
Sebastian and I say every single time that there's tons and tons and tons of females and ladies out here that are being entered into the She's Hot contest internationally, not just in one location.
We have millions of applicants trying to get into this winner for the She's Hot contest. But Miss Irena is a Russian model who received international recognition when she appeared as the first Russian model on the cover of the 2011 Sports Illustrated magazine. But you know, Dr. Ross, she reminds me a bit of Vanity. And no, I'm not talking about the fair.
Yes, sir.
And not to make light of things, but Dr. Ross and I, we would like to say who our winners were for the She's Hot contest, as well as the long-awaited shampoo giveaway.
I got you, homie.
Our Jamaican shampoo and hair products. It's the hair products that Dr. Ross and I have been using since birth.
Exactly.
The special ingredient.
Exactly. So it took a long time to create, a long road to make these Jamaican products and bring it to you guys as the Rose and Gold family. And we're proud to say it, and that's why we're giving away this giveaway for the Christmas season so that you guys can have it in your hair too, because I'm telling you, it works wonders. It really does.
Indeed. But we want to congratulate our winner for getting the crate of our Jamaican products.
Exactly. Miss Sandra Brown. So she can share it along with her family too, because it's a whole crate of this Jamaican products right here.
Yes. And with our She's Hot winner, we want to congratulate you as well. The Irena Shank. That's for you.
Congratulations.
Let's move into our hot topics for today.
So we're going to go ahead and mention Christelle Stouse and her boyfriend. Black King Sebastian and I have been talking about them for a while. They're from the Dancing with the Stars. We all know them because she had a little bit of drama with her partner. And Black King Sebastian, what are your thoughts about this?
When I see this photo, it just reminds me of the Oreos. White and the black, like hot chocolate.
I mean, that's 2020 Black King Sebastian. You're going to see that everywhere. The Oreo cream, it's like you and Kylie Jenner. It's the Oreo cookies and cream. But the thing I have to say about this right here, Black King, is how she said he fit right in. They thought he was one of them. The thing I have to say is you have to work with his smile. Every single photo, he's smiling like a warm, fresh out of the water catfish.
At least
Mouth
he's not as
wide open.
At least he's not as bad as the one photo, Dr. Ross, next to the pool. Now that...
He had his tongue out and everything.
That was bad. But let's move it to our next hot topic with the Michael Jackson. So Michael Jackson has sold his Neverland ranch. He was originally trying to sell it for $100 million, but he ended up selling it for 22.
Close catch, but you know, he's out there with the legends right now. Actually, speaking of him being up there with the legends, Black King Sebastian, I know this is like a little bit off topic, but I heard a little bit of rumors on news allegedly that he's possibly still alive. This may not be true. This is possibly just all allegedly, but there's videos of him getting out of his ambulance car and everything. So, if he's still alive, we love you, Michael Jackson, King of Pop.
I love LA.
I know you guys have been waiting a long time for not only the She's Hot winner and the contest giveaway, but before we close, we don't want to keep going back and forth, but before we close it off on Michael Jackson, we do want to mention his daughter because Paris Jackson, we saw you perform recently, and respectfully, we want to say that it needed some work because when you were using the mic, you looked like Stevie Wonder, and that is coming from respectfully. Let Black King Sebastian and I work with you. We can make some music together, maybe make you, live up to your father's name, the King of Pop. And we're saying that respectfully because Black King Sebastian and I are not up to the level of King of Pop, but we can get you a little bit further than what you are now.
That's right. We'll make you the Queen of Pop. And no, we're not talking about Queen Bee.
Oh, hell no! You got a sandwich from that hoe?
Miley Cyrus, you need to sit down somewhere. It looks like what you're trying to do is you see all these other happy relationships and you just want to go and add your touch of flavor to it. Asking Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello to have a three-way is just...
Trying to add some spice into it.
Don't do it, no.
That's right. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out. Black Gold. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose Gold.